What did you do yesterday?
I went to the beach.
Where did you go last weekend?
I visited my grandpa.
What did you buy at the store?
I bought some groceries.
Did you watch TV last night?
Yes, I watched a movie.
What did you bake for dessert?
I baked a cake.
What did you eat for breakfast?
I ate scrambled eggs.
Did you go to school yesterday?
Yes, I went to school.
Where did you travel last summer?
I traveled to Florida.
What time did you wake up this morning?
I woke up at 7 a.m.
Did you finish your homework?
Yes, I finished it.
Did you hear the news?
Yes, I heard about it.
Where did you park your car?
I parked it in the garage.
Where did you have dinner?
I had dinner at a restaurant.
Why did you miss the bus?
I woke up late.
Who did you meet at the party?
I met my old friends.
How did you travel to New York?
I traveled by plane.
Where did you buy those shoes?
I bought them at the mall.
When did you get home?
I got home at 6 p.m.
Who did you go with to the concert?
I went with my sister.
How did you celebrate your birthday?
I had a party with friends.
When did you start learning English?
I started 3 years ago.
What did you wear to the wedding?
I wore a suit.
Where did you see the sunset?
I saw it at the beach.
When did you move to this city?
I moved here last year.
How did you prepare for the exam?
I studied for several weeks.
Why did you leave early?
I felt sick.
Who did you call first?
I called my dad.
Who did you ask for directions?
I asked a passerby.
When did you graduate from college?
I graduated 2 years ago.
What did you order at the restaurant?
I ordered a steak.
Who did you share your lunch with?
I shared it with my coworker.
Why did you miss the meeting?
I got stuck in traffic.
How did you spend your weekend?
I relaxed at home.
Where did you grow up?
I grew up in Texas.
What did you cook for dinner?
I cooked pasta.